In this video, we are going to show you some of the features such as changing the slider on top, how you can edit it, and as you can see that there is a slider right when you log into the website, and it will take some time to change the slide. As you can see, this sliders with parallax and everything. So how you're going to change the text and images, stuff like that. So as you have seen on the previous videos, that how you can go into the control panel dashboard. So once you go there, scroll down, and there is an option called slider revolution. Click there. The memory Grazler, so it's going to take some time to load. And as you can see, there is a list of all the sliders which are available. So scroll up a bit. Yeah, what we are going to work with is the main slider on the home page, which is slider 6. So just click on that. And as you can see, there are two slides, and this is the third one which I have kept disabled, which I will show you later on. So it will take some time to load the slider pages. As I said, these are memory guzzlers, so it takes in bandwidth as well as computer memory. So as you can see, there are two slides here, two images, and first of all, let's go to the main one, and here this is the slider editor. For example, if you want to change the text, click here, double clicking it will open it up to a new window, pop up, and here you can change whatever text you want. As you type in, it's going to get stuck for a while at times, because as I said, it's a memory guzzler. And click on the green icon on top. As you can see on the runtime, this is being populated. So you can change it the way you like. Okay. Or whatever catchphrase you want. So this way you can change the text on top of the slider. You can add new text, images, videos, buttons, stuff like that by clicking add layer. And you can change the main background by going to this main background space here. You can see main background. Click on media library, and you can select any image from your computer, upload it. Just note though that did cover up a bit about the dimensions. Let me just quickly show you the dimension. For example, these are all of the standard dimensions. So the dimensions are 1920 by 1280 pixels, 1920 in width, 1280 in height. So this is the dimension of the image that you need to use. That's only what you need to keep in mind, and you can change the background as you want. So as you can see, there are two sliders here. So we can create new one here. For example, if you want to add a new one, you can click add slide, but it's just easier to duplicate it. So let's go ahead and click that. As you can see, this is the third one. This is a duplicate of the previous one that I created. But we need to save individual slides first, since we have made some changes on the first slide. So let's go ahead, go to slide number 3, which we just created. Take some time to load. In the meantime, let us see if we have any other images. This is 3.5 MB, so let's go ahead with this one. Seems good enough. So let's go back to the slider. And as you can see, this is a duplicate from the other one, contains the other image. And now let's change, make sure that you have the correct slider selected. Let's change the background, so media library and upload files. Slider 3. You can change the title and the caption if required, but that's not a must, since the title and the caption will not be visible on the slider. And you can change the wording here. So you can write, as I said, what we want. And for example, if you now need to change the color, select the color selector from here. See if this works. Yep, seems okay. And there you go. Say, as I said, you can add layer and create new text of your own if you want. So another thing that I wanted to show you is the animation part. So you see there are 3 animations by default which are used in this slider. You can have all these samples slide over, slide remove, how you want it. So if you want to add a new one, for example, let's horizontal, and you can see a small window with a preview showing up where zoom transitions, content transitions, filter transition, grayscale transition, blur right across. This is simple one. Slide over, slide, slide to the bottom, and this one is added. If you want to remove any of the options, you can remove it from here. So let's save it. Slide updated. So now let's reload and see how the third slider comes in. It's going to take some time to for the transition to take place. 6 seconds, which is the default. You can change that as well. Excuse me. Second slider. And the third slider. So this, as you can see, you can add and remove slides at your own. And the last thing I wanted to show you is that you can also have option to have videos within the slide as well. Let me just quickly show you how those are done. But of course, you need to make the clip really small, or else people won't be there on top of the page for long. So whenever they come, if you want to have a video one, so you need to make sure that it's not a very lengthy one. And here, as you can see, instead of main background or image, the option called YouTube video is selected. So you can select any video from YouTube, or if you create a new video, you can upload it to YouTube and give the URL here, and that will basically load as it here. So you need to just give the ID. For example, if you go to any YouTube video, so if you want to give any video, just select on the URL, you will find this code. So just copy it and paste it here, just the code part, so that you will so you can have the YouTube entire video as a slider. Let's just go ahead and see the difference it makes. Close other windows. As it is, this is the window as well. Just make sure that the correct one is selected, and let me enable this slide. Save slide. And we show the previous one, for example. And let's reload. You need to wait for a while for the third slide to go, and then it will load the video slider. As you can see, the third slider that we just created. And it will begin with the background that is being given. And then, as you can see, the video is live. It will start, and there you have video background for your web page. If you want, you can remove all the sliders and just keep a video background. If you have a kind of promo video for your organization, that's what I would recommend you to do. This is basically a 1-minute clip that I found on the YouTube, so you can have your own promo video showing up, and we can do away with all the other slides as well. So that's about it. Let me just remove the video. That's going to be taking time for visitors. So that's all about sliders. So if you, of course, we are here for any support, but if you want to change it yourself, this is how you do it. Thank you very much.